the LPG situation in the state at present in Meghalaya. So simply put, as per Government of India's directives from 11th March 2026, there has been a certain cap on commercial LPG supply. So I would like to make it clear that as for domestic LPG, which is household LPG consumption, there is no such cap from the Government of India. As such, the efforts are by the state government, central government, and the oil marketing companies to ensure that domestic LPG supply is not disrupted at all. So, in that light, I'd like to share just some figures so that it's clear to everybody. Pre-crisis, which is before 11th March 2026, yes, 2026, before crisis, our average daily LPG cylinder requirement, domestic, I'm only talking about domestic, was around 6,000 to 7,000 cylinders daily, right? And after the crisis began, 11th March onwards, officially as we call it, we can see, as per the numbers that are there with us, that on an average, 5,000 to 7,000 cylinders are being delivered daily to domestic LPG consumers. Having said that, yes, we are aware that sometimes there are lines in front of depots and distributor shops, but there are two main reasons for that, and I would like to make everybody aware of what these reasons are. The first reason is that from the oil marketing companies, there is something called a DAC that needs to be issued for anybody which wants a domestic LPG connection. You apply for it online. But to get this DAC, you need to have your EKYC done. So unfortunately in our state, and this directive has been there from a long time. It's not like in the crisis situation, suddenly this was implemented, this EKYC mandation. But now that there's a crisis, so oil marketing companies are also, they were already, but now they are also implementing it mandatorily, so that there is no black marketing, no hoarding, no pilferage. Since EKYC is mandatory now for domestic LPG consumers, that is why you see these lines, because people have been rushing to these distributor shops with their documents to do EKYC and all those things. So as a result, there have been lines at these shops. But as per the data we have collated it with our inspectors of supply, with our contacts in the OMC. There is no disruption in the domestic LPG supply. That's point number one. Point number two, coming to commercial LPG. So the commercial LPG requirement of our state before crisis was around 1,000 cylinders per day. Now, what the government of India had to do, because given that the Middle East war-like situation which was happening, and there was a certain disruption in supply, since at that time India was getting its imports of LPG from the Middle East. So seeing that, the government of India imposed a cap for all states, that all states will only get 20% of their commercial LPG allocation daily. What that means is, out of 1,000, which is Meghalaya's daily commercial need, we were getting 200 cylinders. Now, please appreciate that in this 1,000, you have hospitals, you have educational institutions, and you have our hotels and dhabas mainly, right? As per Government of India, it was mandatory that hospitals and educational institutions still get their 100%, right? So within now this commercial LPG, let's say you need 1,000 every day, but you're getting only 200 cylinders every day. Those 200 also, first, the priority is to hospitals and educational institutions. As a result, there was definitely a shortage for restaurants and dhaba owners, and that is something that the government is cognizant of. Unfortunately, this was a pan-India situation.